Welcome to the Lovato Learning Management System. This platform gives you a fast, flexible way to learn about our products, anytime, anywhere. To get started, you'll receive an email with instructions to activate your account. Just set your password, and you're in. Once inside, you'll land on the home page. From here, you can easily move between sections, starting with the course catalog. In the catalog, you'll find all available courses organized to help you quickly find what you need. Our goal: to guide you step by step, from introductory content all the way to advanced topics and competitive analysis. By opening a course, you can see all the key information, a short introduction, who should attend, and the full course structure. To get started, just click Enroll, and you're ready to go. The learning path is guided, so you always know what to do, step by step. At the beginning, you'll find a short pre-course assessment. It's just there to understand what you already know. No pressure. If you're already experienced, you can even go straight to the final certification. The course is divided into chapters, each including different types of learning materials, from videos to exercises. At the end of each chapter, there's a quick multiple-choice quiz. To move forward, simply follow the content in order, unlocking each step as you go. At the end of the course, you'll find the final test. Once you pass it, you'll receive your certificate. The platform automatically tracks your progress. In the My Activities section, you can see where you are and monitor your statistics. This way, you get a personalized learning experience available anytime, so you can keep growing whenever and wherever you want.